battery changing time, and usually it's my wife's watches, and I have here a Casio data bank vintage one, which I do not have battery actually, so I unscrew it, opened it for nothing. I had to put it back in open, but I love this watch. I have some of my wife's watches like this Tissot, and I came across this one, and I just changed the battery in this watch, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about it. It's attractive. It's on this Harris tweed strap. My wife was wearing it ever since. She wore it like for 2 years or more, I don't know. And she had this purple Harris tweed strap, and now I decided to put it on this grayish, or I'm gonna put it on this one. The watch is from Vario, and the straps are from Vario also. And no, this is not sponsored or it's paid promotion or anything. Just want to talk to you about, because this watch is interesting. It has what's interesting about it. It has Seiko VH31 quartz movement. As you can see, this is quartz movement that sweeps like automatic, and it has a 4 times per second beat, and yeah, it's very attractive with a watch. Harris tweed, it's almost like springtime here, but it's still winter. It's February, so I don't know how long will this be, but I do enjoy wearing this Harris tweed strap with a sweater, and like a winter time, it kind of feels cozy. I have one issue with this band. It's from Vario. It's Harris tweed, and this is this buckle, and this buckle tends to get bigger and does this thing. So, but other than that, it's perfect. I love it. It's Harris tweed. This one I can show you. It's a bit worn. Well, it's a lot worn a lot, and this happens to these belt loops buckles. But the rest of the band is perfect. But I'm not here for the bands. I actually like these leather bands from Vario, and some of these Zulu stuffs. But if you've been following me channel, you know about that. So when I'm here, I just want to give you a closer look of the watch. It has a sapphire dome crystal, and Vario is it's not a micro brand. The Vario is owned by Ivan. Right? They are from Singapore, and he's a graphic designer. He designed all those graphic NATO bands and whatnot, and he designed this watch. And looking from a design standpoint, I quite like this watch. It's very attractive. There are many colors, from green, blue, sunburst, whatnot, but I like the black one, to be honest. I'm a simple guy. I like black, and I think black and steel watch always looks attractive, especially in real life. On photos, maybe not so much, but real life, this watch looks very attractive, and I like the way how he designed it. As you can see from every standpoint, the design of the lugs, the domed sapphire crystal, the case, I think it's 7 millimeter thick, and the whole watch is 10 millimeter thick. So the sapphire crystal is 3 millimeters. Very nice, very nice indices, and overall just clean dial that looks very, very attractive when you wear it on the wrist, and it looks much nicer than on photos and on this video. But yeah, it has a signed crown, laser etched signed crown, Vario, no screw down. This is a 50-meter water resistant watch, and it's designed in Singapore, and these symbols and letters mean something, but I forgot something very smart and cool. But I'm sorry, I forgot. And yeah, but the main thing and cool thing about this watch you might find interesting as the Seiko VH31 quartz moment that sweeps. But to be honest, I'm not impressed by that. I love design, I love good design, and I love how this watch is clean and looks sleek on the wrist. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm EDC Gunner, and it's been a pleasure. So I'm changing batteries. Up next is this one, and I need to get some batteries for my Casio. And I just want to show you my clock I have here. I got this clock. I don't know, back in the days when I used to go to flea markets, and it was very cheap, and my watchmaker serviced it, and now it ticks nicely. So thank you for watching, guys. Cheers. And yeah, just wanted to show you, if you're on a market for a smooth sweep second-hand quartz watch that you will have no issues with. It has a Seiko movement inside. Seiko as invented quartz, so they're making like badass quartz watches. Anyways, so yeah, very nice. But what really blew me away from this one is the design. I think they have mechanical version of this and many colors. I will link in the description box. But what I like from Vario are the bands, Zulu, Ballistic, and I want check those out.